Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we're opening 3 boxes.
Careful.
3 boxes. We took them out of the bag, the cardboard, because we didn't know what they were. And when we opened that and saw what it was, we decided to make a video without the package. And then this packing over this, plastic packing, it was broken and ripped and doo-doo, and we just cut it off. Let's open with the first package. Let's open this one. Let me just get this. No. If I can make space, I can.
You better careful. It's okay, it's done.
Yeah. Then we open this. Wow. In the trash. The company name is Anker. They're American, but they're very highly.
It's American brand, yes.
American brand, and they're very good at charging your phones up. They're very quick.
Yes, very good with charging things.
Very amazing. And this is for a wireless charger.
Yes.
We lost the cable, so we need to get more. Yeah.
2 cables.
On to the next box.
Show me the cables.
Let me just see where we have to open this one.
Okay. What is next?
This box. Anker.
Okay, open it. This again for
Now
one
done.
Anker.
Get out. So,
Show me what it is.
is this a card to a Tesla?
No.
Nothing else. Anker, again, trash. So we got that, and then we got that. I don't know why they go in a packet like that, but it's their choice. Very delicate. I don't want to break it. Can I just cut it?
Yes, that's a genuine thingy.
Futuristic.
It's very good. It's genuine, you know.
Wait,
Gonna
does this
charge your
fit in
things
this?
very fastly.
Wait, if this doesn't fit in there, what is gonna?
As should be.
Okay. We got an Anker, very futuristic. I like the slippery bit over here. Like tires. That is all that was in this box. Can we open this?
Instruction, that's it, nothing else.
Oh. Okay. Keep that over there. Last box. Ooh. Got instructions. I don't know what that was. Ooh. Was satisfying time. Judge Frank. This is a what is it? Which way do you put the finger in? This way?
Yes.
You put it in this way?
It's now for you anyway. You need to turn the power on.
Power on. What?
Yes. Show me. What is it? Yes.
Show us how it works.
Show me the main screen. Yeah, okay.
Let me try it, but it's not for kids. I just try it. I don't know why I'm not allowed it. I don't know. Just turn it on.
Put the finger in.
Yoink. in school we just went to PE, so maybe my heart will be low or high.
No. Okay, that's it.
I thought they put an injection in your finger.
Come on. Okay, better turn it off.
Wait, this is the wireless charger. It will help my mom's phone and my brother's tablet and my tablet. This will be very good and easily charge both of them very quick. And
That's a wireless charger.
wireless charger, and the plug with it is gonna have. This is where the power comes from, by the way.
That's very
So
good.
this is the main thing of it, of these. So
The charge capacity very good.
Yeah.
This one faster than normal charger. This one.
Okay. How long does it take to charge?
I don't know exactly, but very fast, faster than other one, ordinary
And
one.
then this is amazing, futuristic.
Also mixer. Okay.
That going 2024. This is all we have. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. I'll see you on the next video.